Hello everybody and welcome back to Datazar tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can add links on your website. So without a further ado, let's get started. Right now, as you can see, we are on the dashboard, and from here you need to head over to your websites tab. Could be found on the left side of your screen. Click on that, and in here you will be able to see that we have our pages tab and posts tab. So you can add links in both of these tabs. First, let me discuss how you can add them on your pages. From your pages tab, click on these pencil icon, which could be seen in the front of these menu or pages. So when we click on that, here we have our content section. As you can see, this is contents, and in here I'll be adding a link. So let me quickly add a text for our link. Let's say please visit, and the next we will be adding a link in here. So we are going to be clicking on this link icon, which could be found in the top bar, and here we can type in our URL and select the text that needs to be displayed in the content section. Let's say we can type in here Datazar landing page. You can also choose a title and open link in new window or current window. So we are going to be selecting new window from here, and finally click on OK. It is asking if you want to add a prefix of hypertext protocol. You can just choose yes. Now if we head over to the front end section, here you will be able to see that our link is added on the top, and when we click on Datazar landing page, it will be directed towards to the landing page of the Datazar. So that's how you can add links. Similarly, you can add on posts as well, and that was a pretty simple process. I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.